Number 1. What does cephalocaudal mean? The answer is, cephalocaudal means head to toe. Babies lift their head up before they sit up. Number 2. What does a child do first? Lift his head up or sit up? The answer is, a child first lifts their head up first. Number 3. What does proxima distal mean? The answer is, proxima distal means from center to outside. Babies roll over before grasping. Number 4. What does a child do first? Roll over or grasp small objects? The answer is, the child first rolls over first. Number 5. Since development of muscle control proceeds from cephalocaudal and proxima distal, which actions would be last for a child to control? The answer is, the actions that would be last for a child to control are fine motor skills, less control over parts of body furthest away from center. Number 6. Which factors influence growth and development? The answer is, the factors that influence growth and development are housing, neighborhood, number of siblings, how large the family is, religion, ethnicity, and available healthcare. Number 7. According to Haviarst, what does the development of the child refer to? The answer is, the development of the child refers to the age of 7 to 11 years, concrete operations, reversibility, seriation, and conservation of matter. Number 8. What are the developmental tasks of a child from birth to 24 months? The answer is, the developmental tasks of a child from birth to 24 months: roll over, sit up, lift their head up, learning how to walk, and hold bottle. Number 9. What are the developmental tasks of children in toddler and preschool age, which is from 18 months to 6 years? The answer is, the developmental tasks of children in toddler and preschool age, which is from 18 months to 6 years. Sharing, interactive play with peers, talking and questioning is how they learn. Primary relationships are with family. Number 10. According to Haviarst's developmental tasks, when does a child begin to form a conscience and to know right from wrong? The answer is, a child begins to form a conscience and to know right from wrong during toddlerhood. This age is 1-3 years old. Number 11. Using Haviarst's theory, compare the clients you are working with at Landerman and Canyon Springs. Based on what you observe, what developmental tasks have they accomplished? The answer is, number 12. According to Haviarst, what are the developmental tasks of middle childhood? The answer is, number 13. According to Erikson's theory of psychosocial development of childhood, learning rules and regulations and establishing independence is part of which time in the child's life? The answer is, Erikson's theory of psychosocial development of childhood, learning rules and regulations and establishing independence is part of preschool. The age is 3 to 6 years old. Necessary accomplishment. Number 14. According to Erikson's theory of psychosocial development, the point at which a child learns rules and regulations, can take action without being told, and begins to distinguish between male and female, occurs in which state? The answer is, Erikson's theory of psychosocial development, the point at which a child learns rules and regulations, can take action without being told, and begins to distinguish between male and female, occurs in the initiative versus guilt. The age is 3 to 6 years old. Number 15. Which Erikson's stage discusses the need for recognition of a child's accomplishments and sense of belonging and self-worth? The answer is, Erikson's stage that discusses the need for recognition of a child's accomplishments and sense of belonging and self-worth is the industry versus inferiority stage. The age is 6 to 11 years old. Number 16. Identify which of the characteristics is environmental and related to the concepts of growth and development: protective, loving environment, nurturing, and responsive family. Number 17. According to Piaget's theories, the child is able to internalize actions and can perform them in their minds between which period of age? The answer is, the child is able to internalize actions and can perform them in their minds between 7 to 11 years old. Number 18. For which time period is a baby is called a newborn? The answer is, for 4 weeks. For 4 weeks a baby is called a newborn, neonate. Number 19. What occurs during the first year of an infant's life? The answer is, during the first year of an infant's life, trust is established. They grow physically and emotionally. Number 20. When do babies develop a social smile? The answer is, babies develop a social smile at 3 months.